Pinterest, like Google and YouTube, is used as a search engine for people who are looking for inspiration from anything from home decor to business advice, recipes, and so much more. And as a business owner, using Pinterest can be such an effective way for you to get your business name out in front of your target audience. Hi y'all, my name is Vivian Walton and I'm the Seasoned Marketer. My channel is all about sharing marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. And in this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to set up your Pinterest business account. Now, if you wonder why I strongly recommend to use Pinterest, you'll want to check out my last video. Today, I'll walk you through starting your Pinterest business account. Setting up your Pinterest business account will consist of 3 steps. Step number 1, set up your business account. Step number 2, finish your business profile. And step number 3, pin your first native content. And by native content, I mean how to pin your own material like a blog post or a link to your product. So let's jump right in. Step number 1, set up your business account. So first consideration you'll want to look at is, do you have a personal Pinterest account? If so, then you need to decide if you want to convert it to a business account or keep your business account separate. So Pinterest does give you the option to convert a personal account to a business one if you'd like. Now, if you don't even have a personal Pinterest account, then you certainly do not have to worry about this. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to go to business.pinterest.com. Click on the red Join as a Business button, and then click the red Sign Up to get started button. So it will ask you for a couple things. You'll need to input your email address, password, your business name, and to select business type. Now, your password is going to be the password you use to log into your Pinterest account. So you make that one up. So business type options include professional, public figure, media, brand, retailer, online marketplace, local business, institution or nonprofit, or other. If you have a website, you can include your website address, and then you're going to want to hit the red Create Account button. So congratulations, you just created your business account. Pretty simple and straightforward. Step number 2, let's finish your business profile. All right, so you're going to want to come over here to the 3 dots in the right-hand corner, click on Settings, and you'll see your business account. You'll have Basics, and Profile is going to be the second option. Here you include your business name. You'll also have the option to change your picture. You can use a logo if you'd like. Your username handle, you can specify that to be whatever you'd like. It could be your business name. And then also you'll want to include a little more about you in general or your business. For feature boards, you can actually, these are all boards that you create. And so you can select in what order they are featured on your Pinterest account. And these will actually scroll up in a banner at the top of your Pinterest page whenever people are visiting it. So I'm going to go through and select Monday Marketing Minute, social media, and your business, Facebook for business, Google Analytics, and last one, branding. And these are all marketing related items. All right, so as you see, we filled out all the details here. This is where the featured boards appear. They scroll through there. And you could go back to settings. Now here you'll want to claim your website, which is pretty easy to do. It will walk you through it step by step. And also you can claim other accounts. So if you have an Instagram, you'll want to link it. In my case, I have a YouTube, so I also want to link that account to it. And then these are notifications that you can specify when you want to receive notifications from Pinterest. And go ahead and hit Save Settings. And that's it. Your profile is now complete. Step number 3, how to make your first pin. Okay, so now that you've set up your business account and we've finished your business profile, let's pin your first native content. To begin, you'll want to do 2 things. Number 1, know what you want to pin. Do you want to pin your blog post? Do you want to pin a particular product that you are selling, like a t-shirt or a necklace perhaps? Number 2, have your graphic ready. So graphics on Pinterest are a different size than those that you use for Facebook or Instagram. So you'll want to tailor your images to be used just specifically for Pinterest. And the easiest way I've found to do this is, instead of worrying about what pixel size the image is and having to go back and resize it all the time, you could use a free tool like Canva. And all you do is select Pinterest graphic and it will automatically size the image for you. If you're interested in using this free tool or finding out more about it, you could go to canva.com. Okay, so once you know what you are going to pin and you have your graphic ready, pinning is easy. So let's walk through that real quick. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is come back to your Pinterest site and you could click on pins. And you'll notice you'll have an option here to the left that says Create Pin. So this is where your image goes. Just click on your image. If you notice, this fits perfectly for a Pinterest graphic. I'm going to add the title right here. Practical ways to use your mission statement to grow your business. Now right here, some people add a description. What I do is I actually use the keywords that I think people are going to be searching Pinterest for this particular related topic. So for this one, anything related to mission statement, I'll add probably about 7 to 10 keywords here. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the link, the YouTube video that I want this particular pin to be linked to. So I go to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to add the link right here. All right, and then I'm going to select which board I want it to be housed under. So I'm going to put this one under the Resourceful Business Owner. And then I click Save, and it pins it for me. So what you've done is you've created the image, you've linked it to whatever video, blog post, or even page on your website that you want it to go to. And then in the description, you've added keywords that will help people find this particular pin. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Simply click the subscribe button below. Also, if you want more marketing tips, tools, and tactics, be sure to find me on my website at theseasonedmarketer.com or Facebook and Instagram. Now, I want to turn it over to you. In the comments below, tell me, does making a Pinterest business account seem easy enough? And if so, do you plan to start pinning to get your business name out there?